Hello, here's the database for Arkology. We have our residence list as the main page, all of the last name, first name, address, year born, current year. You can calculate the age from the year born. Your UBI payment is based on all of these taxes: charity, landlord, child, sunlight. The charity is based on all of the others. You have your charity market tax right here, total charity calculations. You have whether the person is disabled, that's automatically calculated in. Their amount of sunlight. This is their maternity benefits based on when their child is born. You just put in the birth year and the maternity benefits are automatically calculated and adjusted based on the current date. Children is based on counting how many children they have. Your public projects is based on your square foot. Here's all the property you own, property 1 through property 5. With the square foot on each and the taxes on each. This is your property tax total added up from all of the square footage. That calculation is automatically done over here. Here's a bunch of charts. This is just main calculations for totals, and this is your council salaries and administration salaries based on another spreadsheet in this file. Here is your large public projects right here. This is everything that passed. It's cost, year payment, interest rate, dollars per month. This is your dollars per square foot per month because it's based on square feet, which is then calculated up here. Here is our maternity benefits chart with all of the months right here. You can see it starts at $1,200, it goes down to $171, and then from $171 it goes to 0. Total is $14,000, average is $400 a month. Here's the actual formula. This one is old, and I think it should be deleted. Yeah, this is old. I don't know why it's still in here. Here's charts for our tax sources and our costs and everything. This is just a receipt generator for residents. Here is our child taxes chart and our landlord taxes chart right here with the formulas. Here's our electricity taxes, but that's actually a different page. So we have our net budget. Right here, we have our with including sin and electric, which is a different page on this chart, minus administration, which is $400 a month, total living residence, total voting age residence, my copyright royalties for the articles of not the articles of identification, for the covenant of the ark, I get $2 a month, total child taxes, total maternity taxes, total public project fees, total charity market fees. This is your net UBI payment, which is sent out to your Bitcoin Cash address right here, which is, that's how crypto is incorporated into the system. So we would just double click a program. The program would make transactions based on this Bitcoin Cash address and this payment right here. And then we can also calculate how much they owe if it's negative. So this is how much is owed, and then they can get a bill. So this is all automated, and there's no bureaucracy for income tax, which is such a headache. The bureaucracy for income tax is a mess. Here we have our jury duty. This automatically runs a number generator to pick people for a jury, and this is our residence list and whether they have signed up for jury duty, 1 or 0, yes or no. Here is our property tax list. This is when people buy or sell real estate. It gets added to this chart right here. This is for our electric and sin taxes for all of the months. You can tell we're not getting data in right now. And then here's our total council salary, which is pulled from here. These are our councils: Hexarchy, development, artistic, immigration, judges. This would be civil and criminal. And then this is just a ledger of hiring and firing as required in the covenant of the ark. This is electric and sin tax for different properties. This is a calendar. This is transactions, a transaction list, which is currently empty. This is for like fines and fees. So, and then we can list right here on the blockchain. This would be proven on the blockchain. We have our list of bonds for people investing in the construction of the ark. And here's our criminal record list for crime. Here is our criminal record list for crimes committed, and then this is the penal code. This is calculating sentences based on your jury results, automatically calculates everything. Then here we have our crime descriptions. So this is just like for the deputies to write out. You have this whole area to write descriptions for all the crimes. And then this is for election results. So I actually need to fill this out for the most recent election, technically. I have another spreadsheet that is more thorough for Hexarchy votes, specifically for Hexarchy meetings. But anyway, that is it for the database so far. It's pretty thorough. It's mostly done. Once we get things started, obviously much more data will be added to it, and we'll have probably one or maybe like 2 full-time people whose entire job is to manage the data of the database. And there will always be some errors because of the manual input of data. There's no way around manually inputting data into the database. But all of the welfare payments and all of these taxes will be error-free because they're all formulaic. And once the data is input, the data doesn't really change for years and years. All of the ages get automatically adjusted by the chart, and all of the age-based UBI gets automatically adjusted by the chart, and the maternity benefits and everything. Once you add property transactions, these all get added automatically, every property transaction. Well, actually, the property transactions are manual. You have to add those manually. But then the property tax is automatically put into this, which is your net payment. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the database overview, and I will leave the file in the video description. That's it for this one, and remember, a single Arkology database is more powerful than 1,000 IRS agents.